Good morning, children. Very good morning. Today, this fine morning, in this class, we will discuss about sectors of Indian economy. Last class, we have discussed, we revised a topic that is sectors of Indian economy, about what are sectors, how sectors are important, how these sectors can be classified into three types. That is primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. How these three sectors are different each other, right? And we have discussed these three sectors in detail with examples. I hope all the examples you had. You should not forget, just keep on revising, keep on memorize. Take what is sector. Then classification of sectors. Tell one by one. You ask yourself. Primary examples. Secondary examples. Tertiary example. Which sector is best? Why? So this kind of questions you should ask yourself. And how can you say that? Tertiary sector is also called as a service oriented sector. So this kind of questions, if you ask yourself, it will be easy to remember and easy to tackle. What is the full form of GDP? How to calculate GDP? Right? So this all this depends on interest. That's why one has to be very active. Simply should not sit in the class what the teacher is telling. But keep on writing. Practice, close the book, practice, write the question, and without seeing notes or textbook, start writing answers. This is how you have to practice. Right? That is the topic of chapters of Indian economy. Now, make a note, I will give you a few questions. Please make a note, so it will be useful for short answers. Right? Number one. All of you children, please take your notebooks and write down the questions, short answers questions. Number one, answer the following questions. Write down topic name, sectors of Indian economy. Sectors of Indian economy. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Number one. What is sector? What is sector? Children, write down. What is sector? Written. Next. Mention the classification of three types of sectors. Mention the three types of sectors. You know what are the three sectors? Already we have discussed in the class. Yes. Sushmita, tell me what are the three types of sectors? Yeah, primary, secondary and tertiary. Very good. Sit down. So you can write down primary, secondary and tertiary. Tertiary sectors. Right? Third question is, give two examples. Give two examples of primary sector. Primary. Give two examples of primary sector. Give two examples of primary sector. Two examples of primary sector. Right? Yes, Prashant, tell me examples of primary sector. Yes, agriculture, dairy farming, fishing and forestry. But what is the question here? Name two examples. Give two examples of primary. So you mentioned only two. You don't write. Even if you write 4 examples, nothing, no problem. But you should know. Okay, dairy farming and agriculture are the best examples. The best examples for primary sector. Next, question number 4. What is the full form of GDP? What is the full form of GDP? What is the full form of GDP? GDP means gross domestic product. Children, what is GDP? GDP means gross domestic product. GDP. Yes. GDP means gross domestic product. How to calculate this GDP? Children, we are discussing the class. Primary, the value of primary sector, the value of secondary sector, the value of how value will get the production of goods of each sector in terms of money. For example, primary sector agriculture, this much products sold at the rate of this much value comes. And secondary sector produce this much goods and if you sold this much amount value, and service sector value. So all the total value, the final value of all these 3 sectors added in that particular year can be treated as a GDP. This is the full form. Now you write out 5th one. What do you understand by gross domestic product? Here they are asking what is full form, but here actually they are asking what is the meaning. Okay, I think boys, you are clear? Yes. This is. And 6th one, territory sector also. Territory sector are considered. Territory sectors are considered as service, SERVAC, service sectors. Service sectors. Explain. Service sectors. Explain. Yes. You see, territory sectors are considered as service sectors. Explain. Right? This is the other questions. Please, children, all these questions write down and please by heart and please practice it. I'm telling you, still now government has not decided when you are going to come to the school, but I'm telling you, 10th class, take it seriously. You will have board examinations. Pakka, you will have board examinations for class 10th and 12th, and already your results is not good. our authorities are taking very seriously. This year, if any subject is getting less mark, it is an embarrassing situation. I tell you, pull up your socks. You have to try to learn best. You should get first in our subject. We should produce the best results. We take it as a challenge. When you come back from the vacation, I am telling you, home, you will not get time. Every teacher is sitting on you, going to sit on your head. Study, 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 study. So therefore, instead of coming here, there itself, take the book. I have most of you have technical support since you are watching these videos and the internet. Take the topic heading, open it and go through it. Prepare notes. Prepare notes and read. Prepare all question answers. I have seen some of the boys, even they are unable to say topic name. They are unable to say topic name. That means you are not at all taking seriously. Maybe parents are not asking. You think that is this year no school? Wait, but ultimately whatever it may be, examinations will be there for 10th and 12th. You are going to call you directly for the pre-board examinations. During that time, you will not get any time to tell you, any time to teach you. So this is the time. This is the time you are free. Take interest. Pull up your socks, prepare. I should get first mark. I should get first mark to the school. I say question, lagao, put yourself question, work hard and achieve 95% minimum. That is target. Without target, without goal, without plan, without vision, you are not going to do anything, I am telling you. You will suffer. So therefore, children, I am telling you, please pull up your socks, prepare the notes for all these questions and get ready. When you come back, just you will keep on and getting the test chapter wise. There, sir, I did not understand. Of course, time permits, will tell you, will teach you. But by the time you will not find any time. So therefore, now you shall work hard and get ready. Okay? Thank you.